This is the introduction for approving faculty for approving student work while the student is logged in. The Dental College of Georgia uses axiUm to manage all aspects of patient management, including patient contact information, clinical care and documentation, patient scheduling, lab and dispensary management, and student evaluation. This video will introduce you to the axiUm interface and illustrate how to manage basic functions, in particular, how to approve student work while the student is logged into axiUm. If you have questions or concerns after this training, please contact the DCG EHR Training Coordinator. Students must have the majority of work with patients approved by an attending faculty member, including treatment plans, procedures, clinical notes, and forms. When approving student work, pay special attention to the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The status bar displays important information, including patient name, chart number, medical contact or financial alerts, and a color-coded status indicator that you may need to be aware of as you review a student's interactions with a patient. Items that need approval will display in blue text until they are approved, with an approving faculty badge swipe. Additionally, when a patient record has items that need faculty approval, the patient's chart number will appear highlighted in blue in the status bar. So let's go step by step in approving a treatment plan with the student logged in and a faculty provider simply supervising and approving work as needed. In this case, the student provider has created a new treatment plan. Notice that the text is blue, indicating that the planned procedures are currently unapproved. The patient's chart number in the status bar is also highlighted blue, indicating a need for faculty approval. From the treatment plan window, the student provider will select the Approve option button. This will prompt the Approved Treatment Plan option window to launch. Approving faculty reviews the treatment plan, then either selects Close to allow the student to edit the plan, or the approving faculty selects Approve to approve the plan. Selecting Approve will prompt faculty to swipe the badge to authenticate the approval. Notice that now the text appears in green, indicating that it has been approved. There's a color key available if you need it in axiUm. Close the Approved Treatment Plan option window to get back to the treatment plan window. The student provider will need to complete the treatment planning process by having the patient sign the patient treatment consent form. Only after the treatment consent form is signed will the plan treatment display under the Treatment History tab within the EHR module. There are alternate approval methods. Occasionally, a student provider may move on to another task related to patient treatment while waiting for faculty approval. In this case, the student provider has closed the Approved Treatment Plan option window. To quickly approve the plan treatment after the fact, while the student is still logged into axiUm, approving faculty can click on the blue highlighted chart ID in the status bar. This will open the approval window to display all needed approvals for the current logged in user, i.e. the student in this case, on the current date. Highlight the item to approve and then select the Approve button. Swipe your ID badge when the user authentication window displays. To approve current and past treatment information for a student that is already logged into axiUm, approving faculty can select Show Criteria within the Patient Approvals window. Notice that once the Show Criteria button is selected, patient approvals for the current date or all dates for the current user can be selected. Similarly, the approvals can be filtered by type to display all types or treatments only, notes only, treatment plan only, etc. Click on the treatments that need approval, select Approve, and swipe at the authentication window. And that's how you approve student work. Need to know more about axiUm? Check out our additional axiUm training modules for clinical providers. You can also contact the DCG EHR Training Coordinator to learn more about axiUm.